Madam Carmen C. Salvador, Chairman of the Board of Trustees. Dr. Armida Salvador Samaniego, President of Our Lady of Perpetual Sacred College. Distinguished members of the board, administrators, faculty members and staff, PTA officers, beloved parents and families, fellow achievers, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all. Success is never a solo journey. It is a shared victory built on countless hands, hearts, and sacrifices. Success, for all of us, has never been something alone. It is something built through the guidance we received, the support we were given, and the people who chose to believe in us along the way. That is why we are gathered here today to express our gratitude and to thank the people who have been part of our journey. Standing here today is truly an honor, and I'm deeply, deeply grateful for this opportunity. I would like to say that today is not about me, but today is about us, all of us. I am simply standing here as a representative of a group of achievers who persevered, supported each other, and pushed one another toward excellence. To our teachers, thank you for your patience, dedication, and passion for teaching. Thank you po for being very considerate, extending deadlines, explaining lessons again, and for reminding us that it's okay, it's alright to struggle as long as we keep trying. And in those moments, we realize that teaching is not only about instruction, it is about compassion. Of course, to the people who work behind the scenes, especially to our staff, our Kuya Guards, and our ates and manaks, thank you for your care and hard work. Your efforts may not always be seen, but they definitely make a big difference in our everyday lives here at school. And with that, we are truly grateful. To our families, particularly to our parents, thank you for your unconditional love and support. You were our first teachers, the loudest cheerleaders, and the ones who supported us, who encouraged us whenever things became difficult. Personally, allow me to thank my parents, my mom and my dad, for their hard work and unwavering support. And in the spirit of Thanksgiving, please allow me to give special recognition to someone who has been my constant every single day. My Lola Jo. She has taken care of me through every meal, every small need, and every moment of support. And I wouldn't be where I am today without her. Oh Lola, moment mo na to. Maraming salamat po Lola sa walang sawang pag-aruga at pagsuporta sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. To my fellow achievers and classmates, thank you for being part of this journey. We motivated each other to do better, to study harder, and to grow. The success of one is the success of all, because we learned, struggled, and succeeded together. Sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan natin, SIP Defense, Dance Fest, e-portfolio at marami pang iba, napagtagumpayan natin ang lahat. Kaya naman, tunay ngang masasabi nating hawak natin ang beat, hawak natin ang araw na ito. So, congratulations to all of us, and we truly deserve a big round of applause. Thank you very much po. This is also the perfect opportunity to thank each and every one of you for trusting me to be your newly elected JHSSO President. So as your President po, I will do my very, very best to lead with integrity and serve with a heart that listens and understands and create a more inclusive and supportive school environment. And above all, I would like to thank our Almighty Father for guiding us through everything. Throughout their journey, I have come to realize that every challenge we face was not just a hardship, but a lesson meant to shape us into who we are today. Looking back, I now understand that every experience, both the good and the challenging, was a blessing in disguise, preparing us for what lies ahead. On behalf of all the awardees, thank you to everyone who helped make our success possible. Again, this recognition is not ours alone. It is a shared victory made possible by God's grace and guidance and by those who believe in us. Muli, congratulations po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po at pagpalain po tayo ng buong may kapal.
Thank you, Jacob. Now, before we move forward in the singing of the Thanksgiving song, let's share once again the memories you had as we watched the presentation of the badge history.